Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your withdrawal option on Hamster Kombat mining bot. Let's say for instance you chose Bybit and you want to choose another exchange or another withdrawal option like Binance. I'm going to show you guys how you can change that. Or let's say you chose Telegram wallet and you want to change it to something else. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your withdrawal option on your Hamster Kombat mining bot so that you can be able to receive your Hamster Kombat token in your preferred and your selected exchange or wallet. So guys, let me show you guys how you can do that. It's actually easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Telegram app. Then diving into your Hamster Kombat mining bot. You can see this is the interface of my Hamster Kombat mining bot. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see airdrop. You can see there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see withdrawal. You can see there on the right hand. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the withdrawal options that we have right here. You can see them: Binance Exchange, OKX Exchange, Bybit Exchange, Wallet in Telegram, EBI Exchange, and On-Chain Airdrop. So guys, now you can see it. So guys, now as you can see here, I've already chosen the third option, which is Bybit Exchange, as my withdrawal option. So guys can see there it has been marked good, showing that I've actually selected it as my withdrawal option to claim my Hamster Kombat token. So guys, let me tap on it so you see it well, so that I can appreciate it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see Bybit Exchange has been marked good, and let me scroll down as well. So guys, now you can see what's written down there: request to Bybit was sent. You can see it, status request sent. That means I've actually chosen Bybit Exchange as my withdrawal option for my Hamster Kombat token airdrop. So guys, let me show you guys how you can change it right away. Let me go back. So guys, now let me so guys, now for you to actually change your withdrawal option, what you have to do now is to scroll down to the bottom. There is an option for you to actually reset your withdrawal option. So guys, now you can see the button right there, reset withdrawal options. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do in order to change your withdrawal option is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there: are you sure you want to reset your withdrawal options? All information about deposit addresses, IDs and wallet numbers will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. You'll be able to re-enter all data. So guys, now you can see it. Remember, I've already chosen Bybit Exchange as my withdrawal option. So if I tap on reset and choose another option, my Bybit information, the wallet IDs, the deposit address and the memo address and UID that are actually imputed there, they will all be deleted. Then I'll then be able now to choose another withdrawal option. So guys, now let me tap on where it is written reset and choose another option. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see the next step. Are you going to reset your withdrawal options? Please confirm you want to continue and reset your withdrawal options. So what I have to do now is to tap on OK. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can now see the Bybit Exchange that I chose before now has been unselected. You can see it there. You can no longer find the marked good, the ticked good right there. You can see it has been unselected. So what I have to do right away now is to choose another withdrawal option. I can go ahead now to choose Binance Exchange, OKX Exchange, Wallet in Telegram. Whichever option I want to choose, I can go ahead now to choose it. So guys, now let me go ahead now for the first one. Let me choose the first one, which is Binance Exchange. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Do you have a Binance account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hamster Kombat token. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on yes, I have it. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. This is where you need to impute the details that is required of you. So guys, now you can see the first requirement, your Hamster Kombat deposit address. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. The second one is your memo, which is your Hamster Kombat deposit memo. So guys, now I've already gotten all of these requirements, the Hamster Kombat deposit address and the Hamster Kombat deposit memo. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to paste it. But guys, in case you don't know how to do this, you don't have to bother yourself. I've actually made dedicated videos on how you can get your Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo. So guys, what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the links to the video that will teach you how you can get your Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo. Just tap on the link, they'll be able to learn how you can get it the right way. So guys, now that being said, let me go ahead now to paste all of these requirements. Let me tap on the first option, which is Hamster Kombat deposit address. Let me paste my Hamster Kombat deposit address that I copied from Binance. Let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. You can see it right there. So let me go ahead now to paste the memo, the deposit memo. Let me tap on the second option. Let me paste the memo right away. So guys, now you can see I've pasted the Hamster Kombat deposit memo. You can see it right there. I've pasted the 2 requirements. So guys, now what I have to do next now is to tap on where you can see save and choose. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. But guys, before I go ahead now to do that, you can see what's written down there. After choosing, you cannot change withdrawal option. So guys, you have to make sure you've actually imputed the right informations, and that's why it's actually important you go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section, tap on the link so that you can know the right way to get your Hamster Kombat deposit address and your memo, which are the requirements. So guys, let me tap on save and choose now so we see the next step. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's requesting. Wow guys, can see we have successfully linked our Binance account to our Hamster Kombat mining bot. You can see it there. Well done. Stay tuned with update. So let me tap on thanks right away. So guys, now you can see it has been marked good. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me go back now again. So guys, now you can see my Binance exchange account has been selected. You can see there that has been marked good as well. So guys, now this is how you can be able to change your withdrawal option. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.